To do a diastasis recti self-check, begin by lying down on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place one hand behind your head and two fingers just below your sternum. You are going to inhale before you begin and exhale as you lift your head just an inch off the ground. Begin to feel for separation by walking your fingers down all the way until you reach 2 inches below your navel. See how many fingers you are able to fit in the space in between your rectus abdominis muscles. Can you fit more than 2 fingers or less than 2 fingers? The standard definition of diastasis recti is having a width that is greater than 2 fingers width. Another thing to check for is for the depth or tension that is in the tissue in between your rectus abdominis muscles. Does it feel squishy and deep when you sink your fingers down? How deep can you go? Or does it feel really taut and springy? If the tissue in between your rectus abdominis muscles, if they feel taut and springy, it means that the tissue has really good integrity. So even if you have a diastasis, your recovery will likely take less time. But if it feels really deep and shallow and squishy, it just means that the tissue might be more compromised and it may take a little bit more time to recover.